Hi everyone, welcome to video 3 of the series. Um, so today I wanted to talk about something I call smart folders. So in essence, this would be if you wanted to create a defined folder structure by click of a button. So for example, what I've done, as you can see, in this record, there's only one folder. And if you go back into the Workdrive, you can see this one folder. So what I've done is I've created a custom module, and you can name these any which way you want. You can create as many of these instances, records as you want. So if I go into Smart 1, I've created a subform, and so what I'm saying here is that the first level I'll be creating a costing, a documentation, and a statement of work and a signed documents folder. Then, within the documents folder, I'll create a requirements docs and another requirements docs. And within that is a subfolder for client for that particular requirements docs, and that one, essentially that's the same folder, but I want to create two folders within the requirements docs. And the same for the config workshop. And then if you go to Smart 2, so you can see here's less folders, but also like different various levels. So if I go into my widget and I say I want to create the smart one folder structure, I would just, these will automatically appear. So if you add smart 3, whatever you call these records, they would automatically appear here. So I'd say I want to create the folder structure for smart 1. Just waiting for it to load, and there it's created it. So if I go to documentation, I should see the config workshop and requirements docs, and then if I go to any one of these two, I should see a folder called Fusit and client. And if I go to the Workdrive, I can see those folders. Go to statement of work and so forth. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to delete these ones that were created. I'm gonna go to home quickly. Demo. It can be moved. Yeah. Let's go back. Okay, it's been moved now. So now I want to create the folder structure for Smart 2. Remember that is 1, 2, 3 folders, and within the documentation, you've got those subfolders. So I'm going to create Smart 2. And it's created those 3 folders, and I go to documentation. Yep, so those have all been created. We'll go back to the Workdrive. You can see those folders have been created. So it's just a way of, maybe if you're in a law company, you want to set folder structures. So you can just click on these buttons. Potentially, you can also, I've got a checkbox here which says create folders automatically, so you could potentially have this folder structure create automatically when you create your primary folder for the record. But yeah, I haven't done that yet, so but that's something that potentially could happen. Okay, thank you. We will see you in the next video. I hope that was helpful.